Evening or morning or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. And welcome to the second 8 weeks fall 2023 quantitative reasoning course. I will be your instructor, Dr. Becky Menning. Pardon the down look here. I'm officially getting married in 2 days here the weekend before we begin, and we are in like final crazy mode here, but I just got the course finalized, put together, and I wanted to send you a quick intro video before the crazy really ramps up, and then we can get started full go on Monday night in our first live session. So I just want to do kind of a quick run through of the course so that when it goes live this weekend, I think Saturday or Sunday, you should be able to get in. And so when that happens, I want you to be able to get in and do as much as you want. You don't have to start before Monday, but I know some people like to get in, click all the buttons, do as much or as little as you'd like. So a couple of things, and we will do a deep dive on Monday. I just want to give you enough to be dangerous here. So when you log into your Math 123 course, this is what you're going to see, right? This is the course. Now, the buttons on the side, read the syllabus. Go ahead. Announcements is always something you should click into. I would do this a couple times a week. This is all like random stuff that's like always important, but I will be posting in the announcements on a pretty regular basis. And that's stuff that everybody can benefit from. So I do recommend just kind of keeping an eye on that, because if you send me an email and I put it in the announcements, I'm just going to say, go check the announcements. So it kind of could save you some time if you just check there first. Now in the modules, this is where we're going to find all of our information. You should have received your workbook. It looks, I'm right here. Looks like this. Quantitative Reasoning, 2023 edition. This is the new one. So we're going to have the videos should match that workbook. Fingers crossed I have the right ones loaded in here. If I don't, I can and will send you a spreadsheet that has all the videos in it. But at any rate, that's going to be kind of like the lecture portion of the class, right? Watch those videos. And then we have homework that goes with it. So you'll want to go through, check out the homework, and you can start working on that. We use the Newton Alta platform for homework, quizzes, and exams. You'll be able to just go right in. So when you click on anything that has a number in front of it, that is a Newton Alta homework assignment. If it has these little, I guess, kind of like conversation boxes, those are discussion boards. Quizzes look very much like the homework buttons there with the piece of paper. So we have an 8-week course. We have 8 modules. So you have to do everything in module 1 during the first week. Our homework and everything is always due on Sundays. That is an exception for exams, but we have a couple of weeks before that. So as you get in, if you want to jump in, you can check out some learning activities. They're really just the pages from your workbook. But I would recommend watching some Section 1 videos, go through the workbook, fill out the workbook while you're watching the videos, and then jump into the homework and see what you think. We will get into things more deeply on Monday, but just kind of a basis thing here. Now, one thing about the Alta platform that we're going to use for this, oh, I've already done this one. The thing is, Alta is a mastery-based platform, meaning you're going to get some questions, right? So it's going to ask you a question. You're going to put an answer in. You're going to have 2 tries for free response problems. And if you get it wrong, that's okay. We're all going to make mistakes. We all are coming in at different levels of mathematical ability. And that's fine. The way Alta works is that if you struggle, you have more opportunities to learn and do well and then get 100%. So let's say that you don't remember how to estimate or how to round because it's been a while. And if you don't use it, you lose it, right? That's math. And so let's just say it just takes you a little bit to get used to it. Great. So maybe it'll take you 18 problems to get through the first assignment. 18 problems and you get 100%. Or maybe you come in and you just helped somebody else refresh their rounding, and so this is all fresh in your head, and maybe you're done in 9 problems. So every one of us is going to have a different path. The goal is just to end up in the same place, right? It doesn't matter how fast you get there or how many questions you answer. The goal is to learn, understand, and retain that information. Math is a course that builds. We need the stuff that we are learning in week 1 to be able to be used in week 2 and week 3 and week 4. And so you want to make sure that you really understand. There's instruction built into these assignments. So in addition to the videos that you see in the modules, you also will have text and videos built in to the platform. Now, one other thing that I want to throw at you is that the videos in the module that go with the workbook, I did those. I created those. The videos that are in the Noon Alta platform, I did those too because I worked for them for a while and did those videos. So you're going to hear my voice a lot. I'm sorry about that. But that also means I know how to make these videos and I know how this content works because I've worked on both sides of it, the Ivy Tech side and the Alta side. So if you get to a topic where you're like, I just need a little bit more work or practice, let me know. It's very possible that my YouTube page has videos already and I can just send you some or I can make something new. So just feel free to reach out and ask any questions that you like. Okay, so feel free to get into the modules, read through the syllabus, whatever you need. Big thing, Monday, 5 p.m. we're going to jump on. That is Eastern Standard Time. You're going to come into the course. You're going to go to this Zoom link. And you're going to click on the Monday, October 23rd class, and you're going to join that. And that's where we're all going to get together and we're going to talk through. It is going to be super important that you come on Monday because that's where we're going to kind of set the base and we're going to figure out what everything is going. So please, please, please get there. Let me know if you need anything else, email me. I will not be checking email for the next couple of days because, wedding. But starting on Monday morning, I'm right back to work, back to normal life, unfortunately. And then we'll be good to go Monday night at 5. So course should open for you sometime this weekend. Feel free to get in there. We'll talk more on Monday, and then we'll just kick it for 8 weeks. So I hope you have a great, great end of the week and through the weekend. And I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Thanks. Bye.